Install the base in a rear seat that's flat and doesn't have an active airbag. Squeeze the recline lever to raise or lower the foot. The bubble must be fully inside the correct zone for your child's age. Install using latch or with the vehicle seatbelt. Do not use both. Pull out the latch strap from its storage bar and extend it to its full length. Clip both connectors to the lower anchors in your seat, making sure the strap lays flat. Press down on the base while pulling the strap tight. The base shouldn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back at the belt path. Thread the lap and shoulder belt through the blue belt path and buckle it. If your vehicle allows, you can also pull the shoulder belt all the way out to switch it into locking mode, then pull it snug. Again, the base shouldn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. Set the car seat into the base until it clicks, and check the bubble one more time to make sure that the angle is still right. Always read your car seat and vehicle manuals for the most accurate instructions, or consult a certified child passenger safety technician if you need help.